a little kid.
I'm not doing anything.
You are bringing shit in through the kitchen. I saw it.
What if I am, huh? What do you care?
It's my kitchen. They trace it back here. There goes my parole.
Your parole. I fucking loved you, Franky.
Look, I never made you any promises. Okay? Now you know what Red thinks about drugs. You thought about that?
Not everyone dances to her tune anymore. And you're still pining after that shrink, so unless you're gonna lag, you can fuck off and leave me alone.
I am just saying, do not screw up your life because of me.
Doyle, thought you had to prepare for your parole hearing. Huh?
Yes. I'm just going.
Back in the kitchen.
Units immediately to lockdown.
Kim? What have you done, chick?
Do you know anything about these drugs coming in? Well, do you? What's going on?
Call me paranoid, but
What?
do you see Kim?
Yeah? Franky?
Fuck! Flush him. Close the door.
Carol, yourself, tossing out the drill. Smith, take yourself.
Let me know if you need anything, Franky.
Doyle, open the door.
She's not feeling very good, Mr. Fletcher.
I don't give a shit, Smith. There's been an OD and I'm getting the blame for it.
Why are you picking on us? We're clean, all right?
That'll be why you got another 7 years, right? I'm opening the door, Doyle, now.
What the fuck? It's taking a dump.
Out.
God. Well, how about you hurry it up? I've got a parole hearing to prep for.
Ms. Miles? Mr. Fletcher?
When I entered the unit, the prisoner's door was closed. I opened the door and observed Doyle. She appeared to be hiding something in tracksuit pants. I'm not sure what it is, but I reckon she's banked it.
Well, let's hope your assumption is correct. I'm holding you responsible for those drugs. Slaughter.